Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to enter recovery restore screen on iPhone iOS 27. Let's have a look. First, you need to power off your iPhone. To power off, swipe down from top right side of the screen and long press on power icon on top right. Then slide to power off. Wait for 1 minute to ensure that your device has shut down properly. Now you need to press and hold side button, that is power button. Keep pressing until you see Apple logo. And in iOS 27 you will see continue holding for recovery. Keep pressing. When you see loading recovery options, release finger. Your iPhone will reboot into the new recovery restore screen. This is restore screen for iOS 27. You can see recovery assistant, then software update, then diagnostics mode, erase all content and settings, and finally you can see recovery mode. Use any option as needed. To exit this restore screen, tap power button on top right and tap restart. Your phone will reboot to normal screen. So these are the steps to enter recovery restore screen on iPhone iOS 27.